Ever heard of that tower in Delhi जिसकी construction started in the early 1300s but even after more than 700 years कभी खत्म ही नहीं हुई? This tower called the Alai Minar was the dream project of one of the most aggressive, ambitious and controversial of the Delhi Sultans, Alauddin Khilji of the Khilji dynasty. The idea for this minar stemmed from the recent victories of his armies across the region. हर विन के साथ ढेर सारा पैसा आया, so इन victories को commemorate करने के लिए Khilji decided to expand the enclosure of the main mosque, Quwwatul Islam, by 4 times and also ordered the construction of Alai Minar, which was supposed to be made twice the height of the Qutub Minar. ये सब कुछ उस एरिया का पार्ट था which is now known as the Qutub Complex. Even though the Alai Minar's construction never finished, पर आज भी वहाँ उसके remnants दिखाई देते हैं of what would have been a massive structure inside the Qutub Complex. But इस 26 meters high unfinished tower को देख के एक ही सवाल उठता है. Why did Khilji want to replicate the Qutub Minar in the first place? About 100 years before the construction of the Alai Minar began, the foundation of the Qutub Minar was laid by Qutbuddin Aibak. The idea of the Qutub Minar was inspired by the Victory Tower in Ghazni, and now Qutub Minar is one of the most impressive structures across the world as it currently stands proud as the highest brick tower in the world. One of the 3 World Heritage Monuments in Delhi, the tower is a tapering structure and its foot has the Quwwatul Islam Mosque, the first mosque to be built in India. इसकी construction Qutbuddin Aibak ने start ज़रूर की थी, but he did not live long enough to witness its completion. इल्तुतमिश एंड फिरोज शाह तुगलक, जो कि कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक के सक्सेसर्स रहे, ended up completing the construction of the entire tower. While Qutbuddin Aibak finished the base, Iltutmish added 3 more stories and Firoz Shah added the last. ये थोड़ा फनी है because जब अलाउद्दीन खिलजी ने अलाई मीनार का कंस्ट्रक्शन शुरू किया, even he died after barely completing its base. With nobody else sharing his ambition, the construction of the Alai Minar was halted and it has been standing like that ever since. The Qutub Minar, which was actually completed, stands at 73 meters with 5 stories, each with a projecting balcony. While the first 3 are made of red sandstone, the 4th and the 5th use marble. According to an inscription on its eastern gate, the material to make the monument was gathered from previously existing structures there. The entire Qutub complex is more than just the Qutub Minar. जैसे कि अलाई दरवाज़ा, which is the domed gateway built with red sandstone and adorned with white marble inlays. इस गेट की construction was commissioned by Alauddin Khilji and it stands as a testament to the craftsmanship of the skilled Turkish artisans of the time. The Qutub complex also hosts an iron pillar, one of the oldest structures of Delhi, which dates back to 4th century BC, standing at around 24 feet high and weighing more than 6 tons. ये पिलर corrosion से high resistance के लिए काफ़ी famous है. Apart from this, you can also find Iltutmish's tomb inside the complex. Built by the emperor himself, it is one of the first ones to be built in Delhi and probably one of the most beautiful ones too. Inside the complex is also a madrasa, जो अलाउद्दीन खिलजी ने establish किया था as a center for education on theology and Islamic scripture. Right beside that is the resting place of Khilji himself, which is among the first in the country to stand beside a madrasa. With a lot more tombs and structures that adorn the Qutub complex, there's a lot more to it than just the magnificent tower. तो अगली बार जब कुतुब मीनार देखने जाएं, don't forget to explore the other structures beside it, be it the ancient madrasa or the tragic remnants of the incomplete Alai Minar. If you like this video, like it, share it with your friends and drop some love in the comment section below. And for more such videos on Delhi, don't forget to follow Delhipedia.